Welcome to Goya's Anvil, where I help you solve problems clearly and step by step. Today, we are covering geometry and trigonometry from Hannah Kazumi. We will solve a unit test with 10 questions, and I will explain everything in detail. Hopefully, by the end of the video, you will understand each concept clearly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. First of all, I'm really sorry for awful noise of this one. Okay, the first question. The formula gives the volume of a right circular cylinder. Okay, what is cylinder? We're gonna quickly draw. Okay, it looks like this. It might not be a perfect cylinder which was drawn in the history of trigonometry, but hopefully you can understand. It's like this. So yes, it is radius, this one, and it is height. Okay, we are given a formula, and we are given a radius, and we are given a height. What we need to find is the volume. Okay, volume equals to pi. Radius is 3, but radius squared would be 9. So I put it 9 multiplied by 8, which is 2. If we multiply it, we get 19p, which is answer D. Okay. Yeah, correct. Next. Okay, figure shows a line intersecting two parallel lines. What is the value of x? The first thing that I need to do is to understand which angle is equal to what angle. Okay, this one is also 93, and this one is also equal to x. X equals to 93. It's the properties of parallel lines. Okay, let me draw, right? Yeah, next. A circle has a center O, as a measure of POQ is 135, the length of minor arc, as they're mentioning this one here. In what fraction of the circumference of the circle? Okay, it's easy, but there's a thing to understand. Only this angle is 135. They are asking fraction of the whole circle. Whole circle is 360. It would make like this. So if we divide both sides by maybe 9, okay, let's try. It would be 15, and it would be 40. Okay, we can also divide by 5. It would be 3, and it would be 5. So yes, the length of PQ to overall circumference of the circle is like that. It was 8. Yeah, the answer would be 8. Yeah, next. Which of the following region measures is equal to this one? Okay, we are given angle. They are asking to transform it in a region. Okay. $29.80 to find if you are given a angle and when they ask to find the regions, there is a simple shortcut. Yeah, pi is this let me change color. This expression equals to 1 because pi is 180 degrees. So it is why we are doing like this. If we divide by both sides by 180, we get 16 pi. The answer would be D. Okay, next. Yes. Triangle ABC, show what is the cosine of ABC. Okay, if we like put maybe beta, cosinus beta equal to what? Okay, we are given each side. Cosine of x would be adjacent over hypotenuse. You might ask, we are not given probably not this one, not this one, not this one. That's what we this one. Okay, how we can transform this into this to help, or how we call it, we can write like this. We doing it like this, and we're giving a square like this. It would become like that. Without doing this, you can easily find the correct answer by choosing yes. Yep. Next. Oh my god, what is awful? A circle in the xy plane has a center and the diameter of this one. Okay, it's too easy. First thing we need to remember is formula of equation of a circle. Let me write it. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to radius squared. Yeah, here h and k center, and the radius is a radius. R is a radius. Okay. If we make this one all over x equal to, for example, let's check C. If we make this x equal to 0, we get 5 over 8, which is true according to this one. If we make y equal to 0, we get y equal to minus 6 over 5. Okay, the last thing that we need to check is what? The diameter. Okay, from the property of radius, we know that two radius equal to diameter. 2 radius equal to 7 over 10. From here we can find it would be like we multiplying this one by z and 7. If we find here radius, it would be 7 over 20. But here it is 7 radius squared. So we need to do like this and like this. It would become 49 over 400. So it is not like this. It cancels out. It's not correct, and the only answer would be this one. Yeah. Yeah. Next. The number of degrees of arc in a circle is this one. The number of I'm sorry. No. Which of the following mass degree measures is equal to pi? Okay. The first rule that we need to remember is pi always equal to 180. And they are giving it, for example, without knowing this one, you can also find by reading this one. 2 pi, if 2 pi is equals to 360, what pi equals to? Definitely this one. So the answer would be A. Yes. Next. The formula gives a volume of rectangular pyramid. Okay. Pyramid look like this. It's not a perfect like this. Yeah. It is H, which is height, it's W length, and it's width. Yeah. They're giving a formula. They're asking the volume 1/3. What is L? Length. It is 5. What is width? It's 4, and height is 3. 3 cancels out. If you multiply it, we get 20. So the volume is 20. Let's check. Yeah, it's correct. Next. Choose the following is a graph of the given equation. Okay, here you can do it by using a calculator, decimals, so let's try. Okay, let's write equation. X minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equal to 4. It is look like this. Maybe this one. Okay, let me check it. It's not definitely not this answer. No, no, and no. Answer is A. This one can be helpful in this question where you need to find graph, and additionally it gives a proper and a quick solution to your problem. Okay, the circle has center O, and the center angle of the shaded region is 45. The area of a shaded region is what fraction of the area of the circle. Again, the shaded region is 45 over 360. Okay, here is a question. Why this number? The reason is the whole area of this circle equals to 360. So to find friction, we need to make a friction. Okay. If we divide it by 45, we get 1/8, which is D. Yes, we got 10 out of 10. Thank you for your time.